fucking ginger on our team. Holy shit. I hate gingers.
Maybe I get the fuck over it.
Ew. You sound gross.
Kid, what are you? 12?
Ooh, a
Do your
girl?
homework.
I didn't know you had a girl on your team.
Oh, man.
Ooh.
There we go.
Are her titties squishy? Are her titties squishy?
Baby, you probably don't even know what a vagina looks like. You need to...
Yeah, because I came out of my mom's 3 years ago, bitch. Alright, guys, what's the game plan? Give me a game plan, you little peckers. Move, bitch! Get out the way! Get out the way, bitch! Get out the way! Move, bitch! Oh, yeah, you guys fucking suck! Uh-huh. Smoke that fucking ginger. Hey, little girl, you still there? Oh, after all that, you're not even gonna talk with your fucking ginger friend? Pussies. Hey, girlfriend, I know you're listening. I know you want this chocolate wiener. Hey, little girl.
Hey, she's got bigger things to worry about now. You're being a sausage.
Who the fuck was that? The ginger went on that mic? What is up, guys?
Oh, it's about time you joined.
Let's go. 1 verse 3, sluts. Where's your girl? Where's that girl? I want to hear her sexy voice.
I just want to know one thing. How old are you?
9. So?
I'm just my solid. Can you hear me?
Say it to my fucking face, bitch.
Kid, don't even talk.
Oh, you want to take this one-on-one right now?
Yeah, let's go.
Well, so, fuck it. I'm sending you an invite. Hold on, nigga.
Go to the class.
I didn't think you'd fucking show up, you pussy bitch. Huh. Let's get in a private chat, huh?
Don't even talk.
Oh, how old are you?
How old are you?
Fucking 9, bitch.
Good for you.
Get in this party. Do you have Nuketown?
Yes.
You're gonna get smoked.
How old are you?
I'm 10. How old are you?
I'm 13.
Oh, you're gonna get beat by a fucking 4th grader, bitch. Where are you hiding? Oh! Woohoo! Where are you hiding, you fucking sputter dick? Hey guys, is this a new level?
No, man, it's been around for a while.
Since when? I haven't played this game for like a year.
Black Ops has only been out for like a month, so
Now it's been out for 2 years.
you're crazy.
No. This has been out for 2 years.
Yeah, but I'd like, you're smoking, but I just don't think they make that kind of shit.
You wanna smoke my little Peter? Humble pie.
Black Ops 2 has only been out for a couple months.
No. It's been out for
Black
like,
Ops 2
it's been out for almost 2 years. Holy shit, your fucking mic is loud. Your fucking mic is loud as fuck. Holy shit.
is that better?
Are you yelling? You need a new mic. Yours is like just as old as this game. 2 years. Humble pie. You're not very humble, bitch. Fucking trying to talk like Bane? Why are you talking so loud? Move it away from your mouth. I wonder what the trade-in is for this game. They don't get very good trade-in for 2-year-old games, do they?